Okay, guys.
Like, share, and subscribe. New vlogs, new sites, new trips.
Trip na Race Season 8.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Sa elementarya Albuquerque Central.
Engineer, broker, appraiser, plumber, kung siyempre pariyasin ng mga vlogger.
Hello guys! Update for today!
Look at it, look at it,
Like, share, and subscribe.
look at it.
Lay, ayaw, lay. Buutan mo na among lalay. Si Lawin. Mulop.
Serpent eagle
Ay, ginahan siya.
or seagull.
Wala ni sa hukte.
Oh, wala ko yan.
May kayanag kayo. Hello. Ano ko siya? Here, there. Nice. Flying Lemur in Bisaya, Kagwang.
Ito, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay. Alright. Oh, sige. This is called
Sugar glider.
Sugar Glider. Come on, what's the name? Name what?
Lando.
Lando. Alright. Ha? Nice. Kaya pala eh.
Kaya, siyempre.
Yun. Ala. Very. Hey guys, we're here at the Tertiary Conservation Area in Lubbock with Yoshi and TM Gary. We're being amazed by the tertiaries, smallest primate in the world. So it reminds us of the theory of evolution of Charles Darwin. We were once tarsiers, probably, in the past world, and later on evolved as humans. Yes, human settlement. Guys, pasensya na kayo sa mga tarsier dito sa Bohol. Puyat na puyat pag pag umaga. Di ba, TM? Kasi rumarakit pag gabi sa alone na eh. Nagbabaryan sila. Kaya hindi gising. Welcome to the Divisoria in Bohol. Here you can buy souvenir items. Sensitive. Chocolate hills. Someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. Written in the hills.
Hi sir, good morning, mabuhay.
final stop for today. Organic ice cream. Okay, guys. We're
Like, share, and subscribe.
Legend wars out, but so science hides.
New vlogs, new sites, new trips.
Trip na Race Season 8.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Legend wars out, but so science hides. Sa elementarya of Albuquerque Central.
Engineer, broker, appraiser, plumber, kung syempre paliyasin ng mga broker.
Hello guys, update for today.
Look at it, look at it,
Like, share, and subscribe.
look at it.